Let me be very clear, you build a business from nothing. You pour your heart, your soul, your money, every waking hour into it. It is your baby. But the moment you say I do, that business is often no longer just yours. A marriage is a partnership. In the eyes of the law, it is a financial partnership. Everything you build during that marriage can become a marital asset. It is a truth you cannot afford to ignore. It is not about love. You need to know that where you live matters. A lot. The rules for dividing assets in a divorce are not the same everywhere. The U.S. is split into two main systems: community property states, equitable distribution states. In community property states, most assets are treated 50-50. Your spouse could claim half the business value. In equitable distribution states, division is not automatically 50-50. A judge decides what is fair. Possible splits, 60-40, 70-30, depending on circumstances. UK courts start with equal sharing of marital assets, and judges have huge discretion. That award can come from the business itself. Courts can order sale or a payout. Australia focuses on fairness. Courts can transfer shares or order cash equivalents. Real stories teach real lessons. Let me tell you, I have seen it all. Consider the case of a successful restaurant owner. He started before marriage. Over 15 years it became a local institution. His wife was a teacher and not involved in daily operations. When they divorced, the court said the restaurant's value grew by millions during the marriage. Because they had no prenup, she was entitled to half the growth. He didn't have cash to pay her out. He took on a massive loan to buy her out, risking the restaurant's future. Then there was the tech founder who married young before her company was valuable. During a 10-year marriage, the company exploded in value with an investor. He argued his emotional support and lifestyle sacrifices contributed to her success. The court awarded him a 30% stake in her shares, suddenly a co-owner with voting rights. Alright, let's talk about how you take control. You cannot leave your financial future to chance. The single most powerful tool is a prenuptial agreement, a prenup. I know it sounds unromantic, but is a multi-million-dollar legal battle romantic? A prenup states how assets including your business will be handled if the marriage ends. It allows you to define separate property and marital property. A well-drafted prenup can specify your business and future growth remain your separate property. If you're already married, a postnuptial agreement can do the same thing. If you have business partners, a shareholder or operating agreement is critical. It must include a buy-sell provision triggered by divorce that prevents transfer to an ex. Specify buyout pricing, fixed price, formula, or independent appraisals to avoid surprise co-owners. This prevents an owner's ex from becoming your new partner overnight. Have independent lawyers. Agreements must be specific and mutually informed to be enforceable. Agreements are essential, but your daily actions matter just as much. You must maintain strict separation between personal and business finances. Do not use your business card for groceries or vacations. Do not pay your home mortgage from the company account. That's commingling. When you mix money, you blur the line between yours and the business. Commingling can weaken a prenup. Courts may treat business assets as marital. Open separate bank accounts and use them for their intended purpose only. Pay yourself a reasonable, regular salary to create a clear record of income. This helps separate retained business value from hidden personal savings. Keep meticulous records. Document everything. Scan to cloud storage. If a spouse or parents give money to the business, document it as a loan or a gift to you alone. Get professional valuations periodically, before marriage and at milestones to prove premarital value. Many of you are building businesses with partners you are not married to. You might be in a long-term romantic relationship, or best friends or siblings. Do not assume safety because you haven't signed a marriage certificate. Your partner's breakup can trigger claims on their share and spill into your business. That fallout can threaten company stability. A comprehensive partnership agreement is your best friend. Create it the day you decide to go into business together. It must cover death, disability, bankruptcy, and critically divorce or separation. Include a buy-sell clause that gives remaining partners the right to buy out the departing partner. Decide valuation method, payment terms, deadlines, lump sum or installments when everyone is calm. Think through details now. A vague agreement is almost as bad as none. If unmarried but cohabiting, consider a cohabitation agreement to clarify ownership percentages and exit strategy. These measures aren't planning for breakup, they create stability for the business. Let's bring this all home. The message is this: hope is not a financial plan. Loving your spouse is wonderful. Protecting the asset is your responsibility. A divorce can cause emotional turmoil, legal costs, forced sale or shared ownership that undo years of work. Be proactive. Put the right legal documents in place. Prenup, postnup, shareholder or partnership agreements. Keep finances separate. Pay yourself a formal salary. Keep immaculate records. These habits are crucial evidence. Have the tough conversations. Call a lawyer. Talk to your partner. Put protections in place. Take control of your financial destiny so your business can grow and prosper tomorrow, no matter what. Plan today to protect your baby. It's an act of strength, not doubt. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel at the Global Window for more global insights.